Ira Street Renovation, week 144. My name's Adam, and this week I do a lot of work on the bathroom 1 and 2 vanities. I basically get those installed and wrapped up. The other big task is final prep on the kitchen cupboards and cabinets because next week the countertops are being installed. So it's a busy week, let's get cracking. I start the week by installing this James Martin vanity in the master bath. The whole bathroom is 4 feet by 9.5 feet, which makes it a challenging footprint to configure. This 12-inch basin really seals the deal and it goes in without a hitch. I stuck with black fixtures in the whole house, but the master bath breaks this rule a tiny bit, allowing for a little chrome on the faucet, on the toilet flush button, and parts of the shower. A quick fill test ensures that there are no leaks in the sink, and that's all for the master bath vanity. On Sunday, I installed the vanity in the main bathroom upstairs. I start by cutting the drain PVC to length and installing a drain adapter thread. The PEX lines are cut to length and shutoff valves are installed. With the supply line and drain roughs in place, I slide the vanity into place. It's big and heavy, but slipping some microfiber towels under the legs allow me to maneuver it easily enough. I install the drawers and test the faucet operation before calling it a day. That's all for week 144. Thanks for watching, and until next week, remember to shut off the water before cutting a supply line.